Hi mga kaibigan, hello sa inyo. Welcome to Inday Running. Mayroon tayo ditong pasalubong mula sa Panama. I want you to sit down. Sit down. Oh. Hala ka, goy. Okay, sit down. Sit down. Sit down. What happened?
CJ.
Oh, CJ. Oh.
Oh no, I can't see either.
Oh.
Is that mine?
One.
What's
Yeah,
this?
CJ, that's for you because you're blue.
What?
Oh, ayan.
Airplane.
Yay.
That's
And
mine.
then this is for Daddy.
Uh-oh.
Oh no, I think this is ano.
What's this? Is there food in here?
That's a toy. You press this one, Goy. You press.
How
How do you do that? I forgot.
Whoa!
Oh, look. Look.
Mentos.
Yee. And this is for Dada.
Mommy, is there a
This
candy
is
come out?
Panama.
Is there
Babe,
a
this is
candy come
different.
out?
This is a chocolate from Panama that's
Look,
they
candy
really
come
made it
out.
there. Like a
Look, candy come
Panamanian cacao.
Ah!
Uh-oh.
See, that's their dress. Their
What's
costume.
this?
And I think you got 3 different kinds.
Mommy,
Ayan mga kaibigan, oh. And then this is for CJ. And agoy-agoy, you guys have to share.
What's this?
This is a chocolate from Panama.
Oh.
It's Panamanian
44%.
cacao.
Wait, look. I
That's,
cut it
oh, you
off.
have the same thing?
Different
Show
size.
it. Show it, Dada.
Look, Mama.
Where's
Look.
Daddy, oh?
Wow.
What's in here?
Panamania
I'm
chocolate.
opening the
What's this?
paper. I'm opening
Good.
it.
Oh, there's Congo.
Different type. Oh, this one's 70%.
I'm watching something.
Pure cacao.
56%, probably better.
Yeah, that should be good. Ah, you can open this. Okay, babe.
Help.
Help.
These are more strong.
What happened?
I'm opening it.
Dada, can you help them open this? Oh, ayan si Chris mga kaibigan. Oh, binuksan na niya ang kanya.
They're trying to 56%. Whoa, what's in this?
That's mine.
Huh.
Mine's ready.
Oh, wow. What's that?
Oh, no.
Read the label. Hindi na binasa ang label.
I got candy.
That's lemon
Oh, lemon?
and
I got
raspada.
candy.
Raspadarian.
Do you like it?
Candy. I got
It's good. It's different.
Oh!
These are
Here's
easy.
CJ.
What's our candy for? What's these candy for?
And this is for you.
What's these candy for? What's these candy for? What's the candy for?
That's good, babe. Oh, do you try the Congo?
Oh, man, I want this one. I want fries.
Lemon and raspada.
Congo culture is a lifestyle and celebration of the ancient African roots in Panama. Dark chocolate with lemon and raspadora chocolate.
Oh, what's this?
Oscuro con lemon e raspadora. That's good.
This one's got salt, sea salt.
Sea salt. I love Panama. Ayan, mga kaibigan.
I think you put
Oh,
it
ayan na
there.
si CJ. Save the rest for later, okay?
This one's just regular dark chocolate.
Mama. I think you empty all of them. I think you empty all of them and
Ayan,
put them.
nag-enjoy na sila sa kanilang
Mommy,
pasalubong.
wait. I think you empty all of them and put them in there.
You didn't put all of them there because you only eat one like this today. Isa lang. Okay, buddy?
The rest of them goes in
The rest, you put it away, okay?
Mine.
So, asan na yung... So, who's this?
Mine.
So, where's CJ?
There.
Inside? Oh, okay. Do you like your pasalubong?
Yeah.
Oh, you wanna try this?
Yeah.
Dada, you have one of these?
No.
Okay, open it. Then so you can try.
Mom.
You can share it to them. Looks like walang paki sila sa
Mom,
chocolate.
I said to her,
Oh, thank you very much ating friends sa Panama. Binigyan nila ako ng Panamanian slipper. Ayan, native na native. Maganda. Masuot ko na ito dito sa bahay. Ayan, ngayon na natin nabuksan mga kaibigan.
Did you have it? CJ.
What do you think? Let me just a little bit.
This one's regular chocolate.
Yeah, that's yours.
Now can I have
What
the
is
rest of
that?
them?
Regular milk chocolate.
Can I have the rest of them? All of them?
No, she don't like it. Okay.
But you
how
want
about-
the rest of them. I want them.
You want more?
Wow, that's good. I like that. Si agoy-agoy, hindi siya masyado sa mga ano.
All of them.
You want all
O
of them?
kakao. Oh, you share with CJ. Share with CJ, honey.
We did.
Ayan, suotin ko na ang native slipper from Panama. Thank you very much sa ating mga friends sa Panama. Mga followers natin. Look, babe. Go ahead, look, mama slipper. Oh.
Pretty.
Bigay ng mga titas in Panama.
Maganda.
Uy, kasyang-kasya sa paa ko. Gustong-gusto ni Chris. Mahilig kasi yung mga kano sa mga chocolate, mga kaibigan. Kaya,
Mama said,
pagbigyan mo yan ng chocolate si Chris, masaya na yan.
Mama said, salamat po.
Salamat po daw. Thank you.
Okay.
Uy, halang kasyang-kasya sa akin, oh. Ang ganda ng panloob. Wow! Alam, maganda siya kasi maano lang. Hindi mabigat. CJ, ganun yan. Oy, we gonna... Asan yung candy ni CJ? Okay, we'll hide this candy, okay? We'll open this tomorrow na naman, ha? Tomorrow. And
How
yours,
much
Goy.
candy are going in here?
I saved this for tomorrow.
I want all of them in
No, because you're gonna save tomorrow.
here. Okay.
Okay, you have here, oh. Okay. Huwag kainin lahat all day. No?
Can I have a Mentos, please?
Daddy wants some Mentos. Mentos.
No.
Can I have one,
Give one
please?
CJ. Oh, one Dada.
Daddy,
Mentos yung kanila.
Cool.
Oh, thank you CJ. Ayan, namigay sila kay Dada
Thank
ka
you,
na.
CJ.
Okay. So, drink some tubig ha pagkatapos. You
Thank
like
you
your
so much.
chocolate, Dada?
Yeah, good. Thank you.
You're welcome, Daddy. Okay, latapon natin to. Masarap pala yung ano nila, o chocolate. Ang daming kakao dun sa kanila, para din sa Pilipinas. Daming kakao, di ba? Congo. Gustuhan ni Chris.
Look.
Tuwang-tuwa. Ayan, ang ganda ng suot ko na yung chinilas, oh. Ang ganda ng... Galing kami nagsimba, mga kaibigan. Suot ko na yung chinilas. Maganda siya dito sa, ano, bahay, pambahay. Napakagaan. Yan yung bigay ng ating followers doon.
Mommy, did
Cute.
you eat all these candy?
Ha?
These are these.
Wala nang candy. Sakto na.
My
Sakto
candy
ng
is inside
candy.
here. Oh!
You play with this, buddy. You do that. Ganyan, no?
My candy are in here. My candy are in here.
Oops.
Mom, my candy is in
Okay,
here.
okay.
I don't want to. If it gets empty, I'll fill it up.
Okay.
Mommy, how we just lock this?
Lock? That's lock already. Lock na yan. Okay na yan. John, bubili mong... Okay. Sige, do it. Push.
Oh,
Push.
no.
Do like this. Like this. Sige.
Mom,
Okay.
it's breaking.
It's breaking?
It's falling.
Ilock mo. Ilock, babe. Sige. You hold. Uy.
Told you.
Naman sa'yo. Oh. Hold mo din, oh.
Mama, let's go. Mama, yes.
Yes, that's a ball. That's a
Let's
Mentos
go.
circle. John, go.
Do we like it? I put it like that. I want to do it just for the can to get out.
Okay.
I'll just put it on
Oh,
my
sige,
bed.
put it away.
I'll put it under my bed.
Masaya na sila mga kaibigan sa toys. Oh, hindi na kailangan nilang malaki, mahalin.
Open your suitcase, you're getting more stuff.
No? Okay, ayan, happy na sila, oh. Oo. Nanood si Chris ng sports. Hala, ang ganda ng chinilas. Suot ko na yung chinilas, oh, ang ganda. Nanood si Chris ng ano. What do you think, John? Missy? Kunin natin to. Kunin natin itong lock.
No.
Kunin natin to.
Yeah, that's for the candy. No. Mine is in the bag.
Nalock kasi ang kay John Holyo. So you can hold, hawakan mo lang, wait lang.
Like this.
Oh, okay. So hawakan mo lang ganyan, oh. Zzz, zzz. Okay. Wow, happy, oh. Ah, very good. Happy
I
sila. Oh.
already saw my birthday. I already saw this prize in your backpack.
What? Tinignan mo na pala
I
yan?
opened it and I saw my toy.
Oh, yan? Nakita mo na pala yan, Go? Ikaw talaga, ha? Ikaw talaga, marites ka talaga. Tinignan na pala niya yung bag ko. Tinignan na pala nila, mga kaibigan, yung bag ko. Alam na nila, oh.
I love my plane.
You like it?
It's a plane made of a metal, right?
Wag mo nang i-ano yan, be. Hindi na yan mag... I-push mo lang, ganyan. Hala, mabuti nga nakita ko yan, mga kaibigan. Naghanap talaga ako ng laruan doon. Oh, alam kong ma-enjoy nila yan, oh. Oh, diba? So, enjoy sila, tuwang-tuwa. Tuwang-tuwa sila. Ayun, nagsimba kami. Kauwi lang namin. Lagi kami nagsisimba, mga kaibigan, kada linggo. Tuwang-tuwa naman ang mga bulilit. Airplane. Airplane! Hello sa inyo! Big boy na si CJ. Big boy na... Oh, big boy na siya. Ali, CJ! CJ, come on. Asan yung lagayan mo ng candy? Kay, pwede natin yung lagyan. Asan nang yung yung kanyang... Ano nito? Kunin mo ka. Saan mo nilagay? Saan mo nilagay doon? Pwede natin gagamitin yung...
Such a dash on it.
Ha?
There's such a dash on it.
Airplane.
She's such on it. She's such on it. Such on it.
Be, give mama. Okay, give me that, guys. Salamat. Be, bigyan mo sa akin. Kaya pwede natin itong lagyan ng mga... Dito, mga kaibigan. Lagyan natin ng popcorn. Oh. At least...
I put my candy.
Ilock mo siya dito, guys. O, tingnan mo yung lock niya, oh. Ilalak mo siya dyan, ganyan, para hindi mabukas. Tapos, pag buksan mo, dito mo din i-twist ng konti.
Ah. I love my
So, ano din siya? Parang storage.
That's fun.
O, diba? Gusto niya. Airplane! You like your airplane, Don? Ha? I-push mo lang to. I-push lang. Ayun na. Huwag mong huli. Huwag mong birahon yan na. Be, anak. Whoa!
No, not that.
Ikaw, guy. Busy? Show your airplane. What you gonna say? Anong masasabi mo?
Thank you. Thank you.
Anong masasabi mo, CJ? Salamat.
Mommy, on this, our turn.
CJ, si salamat po.
Our turn neighbor over there on the other side.
Bakit?
Their baby's walking.
Yeah, malaki na yung baby nila, di ba? Oh, lagay mo doon. Bebe.
This is not working.
Huwag mo na ilagay kay ate, ano siya, i-save natin to. Kasi hawakan mo lang siya dito. Airplane. Big boy na din si Don Julio. Airplane, yes. Okay. Oh, tuwang-tuwa talaga sila, mga kaibigan. Oh, tuwang-tuwa sila. Ma-hyper na yun mamaya kaya kakakain ng candy. Inom tubig. Nag-inom ba kayo ng tubig? Nako, parang hindi kayo nag-inom ng tubig. Inom ng tubig, kay maano ka. Hali, diri. Inumin mo ang tubig kayo para ang kaan. Ito doon, tubig. Limomog, momog.
Mama, can we take your suitcase, please?
Goy.
Can you take
Wala na yan, wala na yan.
Can we?
Tapusin mo yan doon.
Why?
Ang mga makukulit mga kaibigan, Good boy naman sila. Good boy naman sa simbahan. Hindi naman masyadong makulit. Ay, hindi na masyadong makulit. Goy, tapusin mo to, Goy. Konti lang. Kisya na. Tapusin mo to. Wala yan, wala na yung laman. Very good. Very good si Agoy-Agoy. Okay. Sige mga kaibigan, ingat po kayong lahat. Magandang araw. God bless. Happy Sunday.